Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be given to we can't be.
Hey you guys, it's your girl, Lady T, and I saw this Oreo lava cake mix, and I want to try it, y'all. So the package comes with two settings of like you can make 4 lava cakes. Actually, 8, but 4 at a time. It's 2 different packages. But what it comes with is Oreo cookie crumbs, the cake mix, the cups, and you will need eggs and butter. So let's get to it, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is the cake mix I'm going to pour in here. It says to add the cake mix, 3/4 of butter melted. It says to add that. Mix really well with the butter. Now it says to add the eggs. Mix those up in there. 4 cups, they say, to spray them really good, the sides and everything. You see, I sprayed all mine. Then it says to pour the batter in evenly in all 4 of them. So let's do that. And the last one. Yeah, my neighbors outside jamming, y'all, so they having a prom across the street. And so yeah, if you hear that, I'm gonna add music over the top, but they jamming, y'all. So now it says to add the cookie crumbs. Okay, you guys, my oven is on 400. These go in, it says 12 to 15 minutes. So let's see what he do. Let's see what he do. Came out pretty good and easy. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, it's lava, yeah, y'all. Can y'all see that? Oh, it smells so fudgy, y'all. Oh my God. Let's see what he do. Hazel out there tripping because the music's too loud, I guess. That's good, y'all. It's still a little too hot, but it tastes like a brownie. Real good. Try it out. It's by Betty Crocker. The Oreo lava cakes. I got mine from Sam's Club, so check them out. And till next time, bye.
I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own